Today I share with you all how I make this delicious orange flavor Nigerian rock buns. If you guys are something interested, keep watching. Here I have all-purpose flour which I already saved. I add in the baking powder, a little bit of salt to taste, some nutmeg for more flavor. Go in with the powdered milk, and I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar as well. I will leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I'm grating in the orange peel, the back of the orange. I just go ahead and grate half of the back of the orange into the all-purpose flour, and I'm going to mix everything together until they are well combined. Add the butter and continue to mix until everything are well combined. I'm going to go ahead with the orange flavor. This is the orange flavor, alright. I just go ahead and add the orange flavor, and I added 1 egg as well. I continue to mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated together. I'm going to be adding water little by little, so I don't add too much. If you mistakenly add too much water into your flour, all you need to do is just go ahead and add more flour, just a little bit of flour to it, so you can achieve that stretchy, smooth consistency, alright? But I will advise add water little by little, so you don't add too much. I'm going to continue to mix until I achieve the consistency that I'm looking for. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. As you guys remember, I'm making rock buns, alright? This consistency is going to give me perfect rock buns, which is going to be soft inside and crunchy outside, alright? I'm going to cover it up and allow to rest for about 15 minutes before I started frying it. I already preheated the oil. As you guys can see, the oil is hot. I just go in and scoop in the buns, and as you guys can see, I have 1 egg roll, alright? I make 1 egg roll for somebody, alright? That is why you guys see egg roll there. Just go in, scoop in the batter, alright, and allow to fry on a medium heat. You don't want the heat to be too high or to be too low, alright? So the buns can cook inside, alright? Take a moment to appreciate the color of the buns. You guys, the aroma is absolutely amazing. You guys, it looks so beautiful, guys, and it tasted absolutely amazing. The way I imagine it in my head, it turned out so beautiful. This particular set are done. All I'm going to do is take it out of the oil. I set it on a paper towel, and I'm going to repeat the same process till I'm done with all the buns. Our orange flavor Nigerian rock buns is ready. It's super soft inside and it's crunchy outside. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried this type of buns before? Leave a comment below, and I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.